When looking for a meatless meal, seafood and pasta dishes may be top of mind, but quiche is another flavorful, versatile, and budget-friendly option for your recipe repertoire. Made with protein-packed eggs as its base, quiche can be made with nearly any veggie and cheese combo for a no-fuss dish that comes together quickly. Let me show you how to prepare a crustless veggie quiche you're sure to love. Heat oil in a skillet and add onions. Once tender, add broccoli and red pepper, stirring to combine. Spoon into a pie dish and add sliced tomatoes. In a bowl, add eggs, cottage cheese, cheddar cheese, pepper, and garlic powder. Mix until well combined, then pour over veggies. Bake until golden brown, cut into slices, and serve. For this recipe and more, visit bigY.com. Until next time, be well.